My music lovers, here's an exciting opportunity for you. Imagine earning $8 for each song you enjoy. This unique method turns your favorite music playlist into a source of income. Whether you're a melody enthusiast or just want to add musical notes to your earnings, this method is perfect. Stay tuned as I reveal how you can earn $8 for each song you groove to. Hit play now and turn your musical passion into a money-making venture. To start, go to the search bar and enter the website's name, which is jamindo.com. Once you've typed that in, click on the first link that appears, leading you to the site's homepage. Here, you'll discover a vast collection of copyright-free music tracks across different genres. We're about to reveal a method that allows you to listen to these tracks and earn money. Check out payment evidence from individuals successfully employing this method. One person earned $11 today, another pocketed $15, and yet another made $32. Many others are following suit, consistently earning money through this website daily. Grab your computer or smartphone, and let's explore some confidential tricks to help you optimize your earnings. But before anything else, let's set up your free account. To do this, click on the Login button, then choose Sign Up. You can either sign up using your email and password or opt for a faster registration using your Facebook or Google account. Once you've completed that and logged in, your account will show your name and image. Scroll down, and you'll find some trending music tracks recommended by the website. Yet, for the sake of this money-making approach, our focus is on the songs at the top of the page. Click on More to reach all the songs on the website. You can opt to download the website's application from Google Play and the Apple App Store or use the website directly. The choice is yours. The exciting part is that this method is globally accessible, making it effective regardless of your location. The procedure is straightforward. Listen to the songs and download the ones you enjoy. We'll explain how to get paid for listening and downloading these songs in a moment. Rest assured, it's beginner-friendly and suitable for those who have never earned money online before. Now, returning to the process of downloading songs, there's no need to download every single one, just the best ones. Simply click the play button to listen to a song, and you don't have to listen to the entire track. If you find it appealing after a few seconds, click the download icon, select Free Download, and it will commence downloading. But if a song doesn't resonate with you, feel free to try another until you find one that genuinely appeals to your taste. Your preferences are significant, so choose songs that resonate with you. In our case, we favor this particular song, which we downloaded to illustrate how to make money with it. You can follow the same process with songs that personally resonate with you. Furthermore, aim to download as many songs as you can, as the more songs you download, the more money you can potentially earn. Now, the next step involves visiting a particular website to commence making money with this method. The website you'll need is 3upload.com. Take a moment to grasp the process so you can execute it correctly. As you can see, a user have already accumulated over $500 using this method and are steadily progressing toward the $1,000 mark. So listen closely as I guide you through the explanation of how this works. 3upload.com compensates you for sharing diverse file types, such as images, videos, and songs. In our case, we'll concentrate on music. This website is completely free to use, no need to spend any money. Once you upload your songs to the site, they will furnish you with a link to your song. Your responsibility is to encourage people to download and listen to the song through that link. Every download and listen fetches you $8, and I'll guide you precisely on how to accomplish this. This includes strategies on driving hundreds of people to your link for free, without requiring a substantial social media following or anything of that sort. Click on Make Money to access detailed information about the payment structure. You'll observe that downloads from Tier 1 countries like the United States, Canada, and others earn you $6. Tier 2 countries earn you $4, while Tier 3 and 4 countries earn you $3 and $2, respectively. The site provides various payment methods, including Bitcoin, Western Union, PayPal, Perfect Money, Payeer, and more. What's particularly convenient is the minimum withdrawal amount, which is only $1, enabling you to initiate withdrawals on your first day. Additionally, you can boost your earnings through referrals by inviting more people to the website. Now, let's delve into a real-life example of how to make money with our music track on this website. But first, you need to create an account. The process is simple. Click Sign Up, fill in your details, including your username, email, password, confirm your password, select your payment method, PayPal is recommended in this case, and complete the CAPTCHA. Verify your email, return to the site, and log in. Click on Upload Files to learn how to upload songs and monetize them. Ensure your song is ready, just like ours is. Opt for this option, then click the blue box that reads Browse Files and select the song you wish to upload from your device. Once completed, click Start Upload. The upload speed is contingent on your internet connection. Once it's finished, you'll receive a link. Copy this link and share it with people, enabling them to download the song. After they do, you'll earn money. Keep in mind that generating substantial income may involve employing this method with numerous songs. The final step in our process is discovering where to find traffic and individuals to download songs from your link. It's straightforward. One of the easiest methods is to go to Facebook and look for groups related to music. Engage with people in these groups, share your link, create posts, and interact with the community. Provide them with a sample of your music, and if they enjoy it, share the download link so they can access it for free. You'll earn by sharing the music with others. That concludes today's session. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, please show your support with a big thumbs up. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to stay informed about my latest videos. Once again, this is Ideas from Chaos. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.